welcome back guys to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when I say my house it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys me have this sweet little prank. Reef and Christine did this for me. I think about it and I say, you know what, we could have do this to Papa Harry. So what me I gonna do is me I gonna do a BBL on him. So I asked my girlfriend a couple of weeks for order one of them bumper there for me. So she ordered this bumper for me off a Shein. So me I gonna put that on with my tights and then me I gonna tell Papa Harris me get a BBL. So my BBL, you know, the injection where them juke the injection, the fat in your body. That's what we go do today. So me I gonna put on my tights and put on my padded horse and for see how it look and show you guys how it look and forget. And so this is for get him reaction guys. I have to see him get him reaction and for see me have a low ass and now me have a high ass. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit my post notification bell things of mine so I don't miss a post with my post. So guys, we are gonna get into it now and I'll be back. So guys, I just put the body on. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna see what it look like. I'm home. Can you come here a bit? I need to talk to you 1 minute.
No.
You like me here?
Anything you put on look good, you don't look, you don't look good already, so you make everything look good.
Okay.
It make you look good.
Okay, sit down, listen. You need to tell me something.
And you have to sit down for that.
Yeah, you have to come here and talk to you. What do you mean? First, I'll tell you what video is. Like, we get this new wig. And when we look for myself, it look very nice. Kind of make me look like me a 30. Feel like me a 30. So, I decided to go do a little bit of something with myself. So, I went to this clinic today. And I was looking at the bags underneath my eye. Like I was asking the girl at the clinic, you know, what can be done about the bags under my eyes. So she said them have an injection where them put like just to reduce the bags, you know.
Yeah, but what injection on do?
It's just a thing where them put underneath the eye to reduce the bags underneath your eye. So
Injection do that?
yeah, it's just a little needle where she showed me so we could get that and reduce the bag because like if look like me at 30, me feel like me at 30, so you know.
Honey, you don't need no improvement and no adjustment. You don't need nothing.
Okay,
good.
but
You're good as it is. What kind of adjustment you need? You don't need no.
it's,
I don't worry about no bag under your eye.
You know
That no bother me.
so you know what, if you see me look a little bit
You
like
look good enough for me. You know why you look do no adjustment. You don't have to do no improvement. For me look good. For me, when
Okay.
it comes to you looking good, you look good as you is.
Okay, so but me not feel good.
I understand
So because
that.
me not feel good now, I feel like me need to do a little bit of
You need to go walk and
adjustments to
jog.
myself. If I go walk and jog for the one, that can't get rid of the bag underneath
You
my
say you
eye.
don't feel good.
Yeah, but when me say me not feel good and my looks, just the way my looks, cause like me have this heavy bag underneath my eye, we would like to get rid of, and you know there's certain other things we don't like to fix, you know. So it's just I'm just saying it to you.
Yeah, so you
Okay.
don't need to fix it.
What you need to do? Okay, we need you to close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Just close your eye for a minute. Okay, open your eyes now.
What the fuck? Honey, with that?
What
do you
do
honey,
you think?
that not look good. That do not look good, honey.
This not look good?
You deaf?
When we get this done today, like this is like an injection where them take some of the fat out of my belly and then stick it, like them put it in my bum.
On this side look fatter than this side, like.
Oh, you mean this side look fatter?
Cause come turn around, let me show you what I'm talking about. Turn around.
You can't touch it because it hurt.
Oh,
so you can't.
So when it how long it take to heal?
You want to slap the ass already?
No, I'm just showing you the ass don't look evil.
Oh, you mean it look evil?
See your center thing the over here, so I see the big line.
Maybe the pants no fix good.
Something not right on it that needs to go on it that no look good. On you too. First of all, on it. You're too old for this. You don't need old body with young body. Not that no work on it. That look like a young people. Only the young people.
Because that's all like people at 30 doing it. So
yeah, but you're 60 on it. You don't need that.
But me feel.
Feel
good.
what? You're blind? You talk about you feel.
I feel like me need to do something different. You know, like, drop, hop, and lap. You know, like really?
You feel laugh on it.
Why you laugh?
Come on, why you as an old woman, 60-year-old, feel like you need to look like 30? That's how me laugh.
Look on the face.
What face?
Look, the face don't look like 30.
Yeah, but...
So I can't have a face that look like 30 and have a body look like 65.
First of all, I don't think I can lift up my ass there again, because it's too heavy.
What do you mean it's not heavy?
Yes,
it's not heavy.
If you now look for me afraid for even touch it, because you say that
it's not ready for you. Like me can't put my hand on it, but you can't touch it yet because it just get done. So me can't do that, but you can do it. You know? And you look like you're ready to slap it already.
No, I'm not slapping it.
You just get it and you're saying
I just want to feel how firm it is or something, but only that have to go.
Yeah, but you can't feel it now. Me have at least 2 weeks.
For what?
2 weeks before you can't do nothing with it.
So on to the next part wrong there, so we can't do nothing with that if we can't sit down upon that.
Oh, you're gonna do nothing with that when we have this for work for 2 weeks. Oh, it's not work. You can't work this for now. You have to wait 2 weeks.
You're supposed to make me know say you're going to do these things and how long it's gonna last me before me can get my things going. If you tell me 2 weeks, me couldn't work with 2 weeks. Because me cannot deal with 2 weeks.
Why you can't wait 2 weeks?
Why I must wait 2 weeks and I can't get...
But sometimes you say you need a month. So there's times when you tell me say you need a month.
Sometimes you need a month. Sometimes you need a week. Sometimes you need 2 weeks. It depends on how the body are run.
So we decide, so well then, okay, we just work, so you can't wait 2 weeks.
Yeah, but then, honey, no, sir. This?
Yes, you don't like it.
No.
Maybe you don't like it.
You need to go reverse it.
We can't reverse it.
Oh, you mean you can't go forward, but you can't go in a reverse?
No, that's how I'm go in a reverse. I go spend time in the hospital. I never spend no time. I take the whole today and then take the day today and fix it up. You understand me?
Honey, me can't stop laughing. I feel like the people when them see a road, they go laugh after them. It don't look good.
What do you mean the people don't laugh after me?
Because it don't look good, Joan. Turn on, let me see something. Oh, it blood. It's that the ass is too high, honey. You need a low ass, that's too high. For you, at your age, that's too much of a high ass. First of all, we can't get another saddle with that. The ass that's so high. So, we have to go use a stool or a ladder now to jump on the saddle.
You don't need a saddle?
Then the ass, you know, honey, then the ass must have him saddle.
Yeah, but you don't need no saddle for jump on this ass. This
no,
ass is just fun.
I don't need a saddle to jump on the ass. I need a ladder to climb up to the ass.
I went and I do this thing and I think you always a complain on my body flat.
Yes.
You complain on my body flat and then when me go fix my body now, you tell me say you don't want no fix body.
I don't need no fix body.
So why this blood clot you complain and tell me say my ass?
Why you never check me before? You go do it, honey, and find out if you want it.
So why you keep complaining on my ass flat then?
Because the ass is flat, John.
Okay.
What do you want me
so
to
if
do?
you complain on my ass flat
when
and me decide to
I'm just saying it flat.
Not when you talk about it every time. You cannot be saying you're not complaining. Every time you say, Joan, your ass flat, so Joan, you never get no ass. Your sister them have your ass. This one you have your ass. Your ass flat. Your mama never give none. Me know your mother she have an eye ass, but why your ass so low? You complain about it all the time. So when we decide to make a bumper clad fix the ass, no we go bumper clad fix the ass, I tell me the blood clad ass too high. And you can't climb up on it, you need leather. So why let me do it for?
I never make me know when you're
going to do it for you.
No, you don't do that for me. You do it for yourself because you say you want to look this and you want.
Yes.
Me never tell you say me never want look so.
Because you keep complaining about it.
I'm not that say I don't want it. I don't need it.
So
I was okay with it.
So why you keep complaining about it?
I wasn't complaining. I'm just saying, yes, you know what, if I asked them out the road.
Okay.
And I said, why on your ass flat so?
Okay. When somebody keep telling you about your ass flat, if I don't complain, I'm complain. Why you keep saying something, I'm going to do something about it? And when my blood clot is something about it, I tell you, say, you're bomber clot like it.
Because you don't look good, Joan. Yeah, this bump just push out. I mean, it blood clot. Not the ass that too young. Look at that jiggle.
I mean not jiggle.
Oh, you mean? We see the young girl them just
look.
No, it now work. You let them a jiggle, but the ass now move. No. What?
I mean, me ass now move. Me feel it a moving.
You can't feel it.
Of course, me feel it a moving.
Me I see it, I mean, I see nothing now move. Everything just stand up so firm.
Watch that. Watch it shake. Watch it shake. I see it now, blood clot shake. It a shake, bitch. No bomber clot tell me say me ass now shake because that shake.
No, me not like how it look. You have this big belly in front of you.
My belly not big. Can you say that thing? You get a tummy tuck.
Tummy tuck?
Yes.
Fudua, you don't say your belly not big.
Oh my God.
You just say your belly not big.
You just tell me say big.
Yeah,
so this is why I do these things. Because you tell me say my ass flat. Now you tell me say my belly big.
You not tell us if you go do nothing with them. Them big. Me can't say, oh, you saw where I'm looking for. You big belly. I say, oh Lord, it's flat and nice. I cannot do that. The ass is too high on it. I don't even know if I can mount it anymore. Because it's high.
So what you say? So what you say? We get too much ass?
Of course, honey.
Okay, so we can suck out some out of it?
You can do that?
Well, me don't know. I'm just trying to find out. I'm going to find out if I can do that.
But it's done there already. No, it's done there already.
Okay.
Done gone by the morning.
Okay.
Me not want it come good at evening. So, me not even can say make it stay because it not look good on it. You know what? Come here, some Mrs. Oh, you say tender now.
Yeah, you can't touch it.
Come there, say we could have punch it.
You go punch it in? Honestly, you go punch it in?
Just go and punch it like a punching bag and even it up kind of look
I kill you want kill me.
Kill your ass. I ask me want kill and get it back to the normal size only. So I'll give some punch, you know, and make it come and that not look good. That have to go. I mean, I'll tell you, if we got to take no more injection for it, go. So to save the injection and the pain, when it heals everything, I will take a little time and punch it into shape. You will hear them say punch it into shape.
You can't punch my ass in the shape because that is gonna hurt. That is going to hurt.
When it heals on it,
yeah,
3 weeks from now.
But it's a thump. A thump, you will be thumping
me.
me.
I won't be thumping it hard.
So what you gonna do?
Some little pillow punch.
You know what?
Just straighten it up. Make it look good.
You see, because you say me can't keep it.
But what do you want me to say? You can't take it off again. You don't put down already, Joan. You should have asked me before. And I tell you, say, you know what? Not because you hear me talking. I am just fine with it because now I am not fine with it. The blood clot is on it.
Me love it. Me love it and me like how
because
my
you
body
cannot
feels.
see it, Joan.
Me love it.
How about the blood clot?
Me love it. Look to me. Watch it. Watch it. Blood clot. Watch it.
Wow.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. No, sir.
Then you have this eye ass, you have this big ass and you foot them little bit.
My foot them a little bit. It's the girl do it so it fit in with the leg.
Nah, sir, turn on them.
It fit in with the leg. Now me look, me see. So
what you see?
See it here? It fit in with the leg. It fit in with the leg. Come right to the hip and fit in with the leg. So I don't know where you talk about. It fit in with the leg.
I don't like it though. If I had a choice with the eye ass and the regular ass, I would have worked with the regular.
Well, you see, if you never did that complain so much, if you
no.
wasn't did that complain or me
like
flat,
no.
you one of the time you tell me say me flat like a bommy presser.
Yes.
Who the fuck tell them woman say them flat like a bommy presser? Who does that?
I never know it was something that would devastate your honey.
Oh, you mean
If you flat,
you flat like yeah, but a flat like a you know about me pressure, you know about me flat.
It's a thing when me hear them say long time.
Yeah, me flat like
yeah,
you tell me flat like a bomb pressure.
What
you
is
know?
a bomb pressure?
You tell me because you always tell me something flat
No,
like a
I
bomb pressure.
hear them say when they go them and say, oh that the one the flat here, oh that the one the iron, oh that the one the sexy so. But you're one you don't know if honey, me don't want to laugh, you know, but every time I look on it, me I feel laugh. It look good still. But for some reason, it just not match you, it not work with you.
Why? Because through me old?
Well, through me not used to that. I asked, now me have to get used to that. Pump up all the front to you. No, for real, honey. Unless through the ass now I jack the pants, run back there. It a tighten up and there's something on the front there. So I don't know. Look on it.
Aye.
Me work. Me have to just work with it fun. Because run a front look good. Run a back is a joke.
Run a back is a joke?
Yes,
why are you taking my thing for a joke? They're serious.
Like a comedy ass.
I feel comedy.
You want a comedy ass? Check laugh about this we are talking about. That look like a comedy ass. That don't look like a real ass.
Oh God, this is so funny.
What? You consider that funny, honey?
Because you say my ass is a comedy ass. So you mean me I must find it
every
funny?
time I look on it, I just find myself laughing. So I just consider say it's a comedy. Why am I laughing, honey? Because if you look me, and then I know me I look on it and because I'm laughing. I say, why the woman would do me? Why you doing this, honey?
Oh my God.
Get rid of me good ass and come give me weddies. Me not even know
it
weddies.
look nice though.
It don't look bad, but
I
it
know.
not me prefer the leather one.
Look how it's sexy.
But that never can lift you up again, honey, because that the way you have rung back there.
It really look nice, honestly. I love
so.
it. Yeah, I really love it. It's really nice. Anyway, honey, it's just a prank.
What kind of prank the ass is there to see? Let me about prank. The ass is there to see you and there's no prank.
It's just a prank, Aaron.
Oh, it's going to be a prank. So what is that behind you there?
Me buy a panty batty. Me ask Lauren for order a panty batty off a sheen for me.
For what?
For prank you. So me do. So
that really prank me, you know? That prank me like I said, no sir. That no look good on it, child. No. So why you can't just take it off and no one gone?
Yeah.
Take it off before you come out of the room, honey. Cause you can't go around make nobody see that.
It couldn't work. We have to pad it up.
I'm not telling you, say no look straight, but it look
It's just a prank. Just a prank.
So you full it up with all of them something? And we have to go out with the blood clot. It's how we have to go out the honey. What? We're going to take out our ass. Take out the ass. They're going to take out the ass. Why? You know not easy. You know not young people here. Why would you buy that thing? Oh, the fuck before you even touch it. You fart on it?
No, I'm saying t-shirt, but put t-shirt.
So you fart on the t-shirt?
I don't fart on something from batty jar.
Once you fart, it spread out the ass, you know, honey. In your jaws, you know. Go by your body, you know.
I did not fart.
I stink.
I did not fart.
Look. My girl take out 2 t-shirts and 3 something else. And she still have more. I want still have more. I want
90.
It's not easy. Yeah, man. This look good, honey. Nothing in there now. Left back in there.
Well, okay, so you tell me where you think.
Well, it's still there now.
Where is it?
That's just perfect for me. I don't need no more ass more than that.
You sure?
I don't even think so I can. I could have managed that the ass. So I know me can't work with this, but I don't know if I could have managed that.
So you can't work with this?
Yeah, man, I don't need nothing more than that.
But more ass there, eh?
Where?
Where we have on?
Oh.
The ass pad.
I want the pad, see me?
Yes. What how the pad look?
Pad look better than the stuffing with your stuff. The stuffing, I have one jar gas and another jar gas. I say, what blood clot is? I I mean, I don't look good. But now it don't look bad still. Just the, oh, yeah. Afraid to touch it, honey.